Welcome back to the channel, people. Today we are gonna bring you some really exciting products that's perfect for any vlogger or any moto vlogger, because vlogging these days is an absolute happening thing. So these accessories will help you in your vlogging career or vlogging passion, whatever you may do, to a great extent. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so that you get notified of such awesome videos as soon as we upload it and make it live. Now all the accessories that we are going to show here will be applicable to the GoPro Hero 9 and the GoPro Hero 10. And also, now we know that the GoPro Hero 11 is coming, which almost is of the same size and dimension as that of the GoPro Hero 10. So I'm sure they all would be applicable to the GoPro Hero 11 as well. So to start with, we have a Windslayer foam cover, which is ideal for noise reduction on the go. It works to a good extent in reducing the wind noise while you record your video. Primarily, it's helpful in the outdoors, wherein your recording might get affected with a lot of wind and ambient noise around. It's made of high quality foam with perfect thickness, which is flexible and extremely lightweight. And don't worry, this won't add any heft to your action camera. And vloggers, this add-on will by no means affect your video recording, as the opening fits perfectly around the lens and does not interfere your video recording. Now we all know that action cameras these days are amazingly versatile, but they lack one major feature of photography or even videography, and that is autofocus, or the ability of a camera to focus on the closer subjects, thereby creating a shallow depth of field, or which we also call bokeh or bokeh, as you might want to pronounce it. However, this amiciKart 15x macro lens filter will actually mimic a bokeh effect and will get you clear and crisp close-up on your photos and videos. This next device that might look just like a small tiny little box, it can actually prove very helpful while you're traveling, because it has dual compartments which lets you place your micro SD card inside it, and you can also house the extra GoPro battery. And this device, it is not exactly specific to any GoPro Hero 9 or 10. You can use this for, any of your GoPros that you might have. Dates back to even the GoPro Hero 3. Now this particular equipment is another interesting equipment which you can use with any brand of action camera. It is universal, and this you can put it on your handlebar, like if you are into cycling or motorcycling, you are into like shooting different interesting angles for your audience or for yourself. This piece of equipment will become very useful for you, trust me. This is a 360-degree rotary mount for your action camera, which you can place it anywhere, which has got a cylindrical frame to it, as you can see on the screen right now. And this particular equipment is very sturdy. It's all metal. You can rotate this, and it is not very loose, so if you are rotating it to a particular angle, it will stay on that particular angle. Now this piece of equipment is a mini storage for your GoPro Hero 9 or the 10, and this is a half sealed cover for your action camera, because as you can see on the screen, the zip doesn't close completely. However, this becomes very helpful. Say for example, you're outside in a very busy environment and you don't have an immediate option to unpack it all, put it in your camera bag. You just need to have the tripod ready and the camera on it at your disposal, and you can use it anytime. So for those fast moving environments where you need the camera instantly with the tripod attached, this is where you can use this particular case, which will still keep the tripod out of the box. However, it will protect your camera. This is an exciting piece of equipment. This tiny little controller is basically, as you can guess possibly, is a remote control for your GoPro Hero 9 or the 10 with a wrist strap and a magnetic charging cable, which is all provided inside the box. So with this on, you don't have to reach your action camera and change settings. You can still do it with the help of this remote control. It has a bright multicolor OLED display. This piece of equipment is powered by a 400 ampere lithium battery. The remote control works for 4 hours with a full charge of 2 hours. It is up to 1 meter waterproof and you can control the camera from a distance of even 80 meters but without any obstruction. Now, even when the action cameras have become largely versatile these days, but they still have a somewhat tiny sensor which restricts them to perform in certain actions. Now, to deal with extremely bright light often poses a challenge for them, and that is where our ND and the CPL filters come to the rescue. These products, depending on their type and purpose, helps you tackle shooting in various tricky scenarios and lets you play with parameters like exposure, shutter speed, aperture and others. This next piece of accessory from amiciKart is a waterproof case compatible with GoPro Hero 9 or the 10, and this provides up to 50 meters of water resistance if you're going underwater like diving or scuba diving and undersea activities and you need an action camera there. So that's when this becomes very helpful, and it also becomes a protective cover for your action camera with 2 back covers which is provided in the box. One of them is touch compatible, so you can still control the touch of your action camera from the back screen, and the other one is just a pure waterproof casing. Also inside the box you get a buckle mount with a quick release bracket mount. You can attach your GoPro Hero 9 or the 10 to other accessories such as helmet, bicycle mount, suction cup and other accessories like that. Now, this next piece of accessory again from amiciKart is a UV lens filter for your GoPro Hero 9 or the 10. That's all for this particular video, people. Hope you enjoyed all these accessories. If you want to check them in detail, you can go to our website, which is amiciKart.com, and you can also check our products on Amazon.in or Flipkart. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that notification bell so that you get notified of any new videos that we upload to our YouTube channel. And last but not the least, if you like this video, give it a like and share it within your circle so that everyone comes to know about these useful products. So hopefully it helps you all out there and you vloggers have a great time. So till then, happy vlogging, stay safe, stay healthy.